Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to solve a Leetcode problem which is named as Remove Duplicates from Sorted List Part 2. So in this question, let's consider an linked list. Example 1, it is given as 1 connected to 2, 2 is connected to 3, then 3 is connected to 3, and 3 is connected to 4, 4 is connected to 4, and 4 is connected to 5. This is the given linked list. And in this question, you have to delete if a number occurs more than once. So here 3 occurs more than once. You have to delete this and you have to delete 4 pair. So the resultant list will be 1, 2 and 5. This should be the answer. You can see here in example 1. And if the list contains only one character, then you have to just simply return this single list. Okay, so let's see the approach for this question. What you can do in order to solve this question. So if we are going to use an new node which is called as dummy. So let's write the approach for this question. So let's take a dummy node. Dummy node, the first node is 0 in this case, and the second node is 1. For example, in this case, because it's pointing to head, and the previous node is pointing to this node previous. Okay, so we are running head. Head is pointing here. Okay, we are going to traverse head till it's not equals to null. Okay, we are going to traverse till it's equals to null with using a while loop. Then in that while loop, we are going to check if head next does not equals to null and value of head equals to head's next value. Okay, so in this case, if the example is 1, 2 and 3 and 3, it will check this for this question. If this condition is true, then we will just simply increment head by 1, then the head will be pointing this value. After this has been occurred, then our previous is in second position at this point after this loop has been ended. So what we are going to do is we will point p to the head's next value. The next pointer of p next will be equals to heads next. Okay, so it means that our new list will be 1, 2, 4, 4 and 5. Then again we will run for and check for this 4 and 4. After this, our p is still here and our head will point here. Okay, so the resultant list will be equals to 1 to 2 and 2 to 5. And this is shown in this question also, in this code also. So if our if condition is not valid, if this condition is not valid, if our value is not equals to this, is not equals to this, then we will simply just increment p by 1. Okay, and after both the if else block, we will just simply increment head by 1. And after this has been done, we will just return dummy node next. Okay, so because the dummy node was starting from 0, and then we got this as an answer, so we don't require this, so we will just simply return dummies next. Hey, is the answer. This is the answer for this question.